Structure of skeletal muscle, Part 4. Sarcotubular system. The myofibrils embedded in the sarcoplasm of the muscle fiber are surrounded by some important membranous structures. These membranous structures appear in the form of vesicles and tubules. These structures are together called sarcotubular system. Structures constituting the sarcotubular system. Sarcotubular system is formed mainly by two types of structures called 1. T tubules, 2. L tubules or sarcoplasmic reticulum. Sarcotubular system. Diagram showing T and L tubules. T tubules. T tubules or transverse tubules or narrow tubules formed by the invagination of the sarcolemma. These tubules penetrate from one side of the muscle fiber to other side. Because of their origin from sarcolemma, the T tubules open to the exterior of the muscle cell. Therefore, the extracellular fluid runs through the lumen. L tubules. L tubules or longitudinal tubules are the closed tubules that run in long axis of the muscle fiber forming sarcoplasmic reticulum. L tubules are the closed tubular system that do not open to the exterior like T tubules. At regular intervals throughout the length of the myofibrils, the L tubules dilate to form a pair of lateral sacs called terminal cisternae. Each pair of terminal cisternae is in close contact with the T tubule. The T tubule along with the cisternae on either side is called the triad of skeletal muscle. Functions of sarcotubular system. Function of T tubule. T tubules are responsible for rapid transmission of impulse in the form of action potential from sarcolemma to the myofibrils. Function of L tubules. L tubules store a large quantity of calcium ions. When action potential reaches the cisternae of L tubule, the calcium ions are released into the sarcoplasm. Composition of skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscle is formed by 75% of water and 25% of solids. Solids are organic substances and inorganic substances. Organic substances are proteins and other organic substances. Proteins are myosin, actin, tropomyosin, troponin, myoglobin, etc. Other organic substances are carbohydrates, lipids, nitrogenous substances. Inorganic substances are potassium, sodium, calcium, etc. Chart showing composition of skeletal muscle.